Today, I'll show you how to password protect your WD My Passport external hard disk drive on your Mac using disk utility. These same steps also work for other external hard drive brands. The process encrypts your data, keeping your WD My Passport secure if the drive is ever lost or stolen. Why should you use Apple's disk utility? Apple's built-in disk utility is reliable and continues to work after macOS updates or upgrades, so you don't have to worry about losing access because of third-party software. To start, connect your WD Western Digital My Passport external hard disk drive to your MacBook, iMac, or Mac Mini using the USB cable. If you don't see the hard disk drive icon on your desktop, click on the desktop to make sure the Finder menu is visible. Then go to Finder, Settings on macOS Tahoe, or Finder Preferences on older versions of macOS. In the Settings window, select the General tab and make sure External Disks is checked. Once enabled, you should see your WD My Passport hard disk or other external drives appear on the desktop. Before formatting your drive, make sure there are no important files on it. Formatting will completely erase all data, so always back up your files to your Mac or another storage device first. Next, open Apple's disk utility by clicking Spotlight Search, typing disk utility, and pressing Enter on your keyboard. You can find disk utility in the Utilities folder inside your Applications folder. Once disk utility opens, click View in the toolbar and make sure Show All Devices is selected. Then, in the left sidebar, select your external drive, the top level drive listed under External. Let's take a closer look. When Show All Devices is enabled, you will see the Scheme option. This view allows more advanced tasks such as partitioning a drive, erasing the physical disk, or working directly with containers and volumes. If Show All Devices is not selected, the Scheme option is hidden. This explains why some users report that the Scheme option is unavailable. This is my internal drive, and this is the external WD My Passport hard disk drive, so make sure to select the right one. For formatting, it is listed under External in the left sidebar. Before clicking the Erase button, click the first aid icon. Then click Run to make sure there are no problems with the drive. The operation was successful. Click Done. Now I'll click on the Erase button to format the disk. I need to choose a name for my external hard disk. I'll type in WD Backup. You can name it whatever you want. Which format should I choose? macOS Extended Journal or APFS? It depends on your specific needs and how you would like to use your external disk drive. You need to reformat your new drive if the drive has been factory formatted for use with Windows. The drive has been formatted using macOS Extended Journal but you need to change it to APFS. You want to use the drive with Mac and Windows PCs. Since I am using a MacBook Pro M4 with macOS Tahoe and plan to use my WD external hard disk drive only on my Mac, the best format for me is APFS, and I will use APFS encrypted so that I can set a password. APFS is recommended for Macs running macOS 10.13, High Sierra, or later. If you are using an older version of macOS, anything before 10.13, choose macOS Extended Journal. If you need to use the drive on both Mac and Windows, exFAT is the best choice. However, exFAT cannot be encrypted using disk utility, which means you cannot add a password. I'll now select APFS Encrypted, enter my password, and confirm it by re-entering it. To check the strength of your password, click the key icon. Orange means weak, so I'll make it stronger until it turns green. Once the indicator is green, the password is considered strong. You can leave the password hint empty or add a vague reminder, but never include personal information. Then click Choose. For the scheme, I'll select GUID partition map. This is the recommended option for both APFS and macOS Extended Journal on modern Macs. If you are curious about other formats or scheme types and want more details, check out this video linked in the description. Just click More to find it. Once you have made your selection, click the Erase button and wait a moment. When the process finishes, click Done. Your WD external hard disk drive is ready to use. Before copying any files to your hard disk drive, eject the drive by right-clicking it and selecting Eject. Then disconnect and reconnect the drive. Enter your password and click Unlock. This is just to make sure everything works properly. Make sure to write down your password and store it securely. If you are looking for free Mac apps to secure and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.